Greetings my beautiful people. Thank you all for stopping by on the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I'm giving a tour of one place I'm calling name New Building, very close to the speed bump area guys. So I'm gonna make a right turn. I will take you all into one place I'm calling name New Building guys. Yeah man, so thank you all for stopping by. This is your tour guide Fire Reid. Take you to some rural areas, also some country areas. Rural areas guys, also some town areas. Yeah man, sorry about that. Yeah man, blessings again. One love and one heart. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Yes, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself man, because yeah, watch the video. Big up yourself guys, big up yourself. Yeah man, one love and one heart. Nothing is sweet like when you're in the countryside of Jamaica. Enjoy the beautiful island Jamaica. No place like yard, you know? You know we call Jamaica yard. So I'm in one place them call name New Building St. Elizabeth. So take a view with Fire Reid. Yeah man, and also guys, leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. Yeah man. So when you're in the New Building area, it's very close to Allport, also in the main area. It's about 20 minute drive to Junction side. Like you have some beautiful house in this area guys. Yeah man, I don't know, Jamaica love them nice house and thing. Yeah man, so you do it a yard. Yeah man. People them a go up on the work vibes in the morning, yeah. So this is a channel you will know a lot about Jamaica. Many different areas guys. Many different areas. Nothing sweet like when you're in the countryside and you take up a bicycle, ride in the street in this early morning. So guys, always remember to like up the video, free of cost. Yeah man, just like up the video man, free of cost. Big thumbs up, you know, so you can get to share to other people on the platform. Yeah, that's what YouTube like. So guys, this is the first time in this area for me, and it's a very nice area guys. I can see it. It's a very nice area. So now so they have them corner shop. You know, your corner shop you can get your rice and flour. Anything you want, the saltfish, tin mackerel. Yeah man, so if you can't get to go to the supermarket, you know, in Jamaica them call it the corner shop. So you just run, if you run out of some stuff, you can just go to the corner shop and get it. Yeah man. So this is the new building area, guys. I don't know if you're gonna see a lot of new building in this area. Don't know why they call it new building. Tell them that St. Elizabeth is a very big parish. Yeah, man, hardly can tour out St. Elizabeth, guys. Can't tour this parish, guys. Many places to go in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. So if you're from St. Elizabeth, yeah, man, big up on yourself. I never know, say, this area was so nice, guys. See a lot of different. It's a very nice scenery, guys. Very nice scenery. So guys, if I see any land for sale, I will let you all know. So welcome to New Building Square, guys. So I'm in the New Building Square area, guys. Yeah, man. So when you're in the new building area, so you can go over to the chain line, get your cow skin soap. Yeah, man, you know, saying the chain line area, you know, say them call this the famous cow skin soap with some peanut. Yeah, man, with the cow skin soap, they're rich. If you look out for them bike, Guyana, watch out. On your left, you have the new building Shiloh Apostolic Church. What a nice view in the hills, guys. Very, very nice view of the hillside. So guys, I'm gonna make a left turn in the new building square. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.